Hi, we are Group 15. Today, I'll be talking about safety in construction, one of the most hazardous industries in India. It sees the highest number of fatal injuries, many of which can be avoided through proper safety practices, yet, these are often ignored, risking lives and productivity. Construction plan and site. Site planning is the first step to safety. A well organized layout reduces accidents by ensuring clear movement paths and proper material storage. What is safety? Safety means minimizing risks so work can continue without danger. A high accident rate shows poor safety practices, something we must improve. Why does the issue of safety arises? Ignoring safety leads to loss of time, labor, money and reputation. Accidents are costly and usually preventable. Accidents. Accidents happen suddenly due to fatigue, unsafe setups, or long hours. The impact includes injuries, delays, and financial loss. Causes of accidents. Common causes include human error, unsafe practices, and structural failures. Even natural disasters can add to the risk. We noticed children of laborers playing at construction site, which was a clear example of carelessness. Ways to ensure safety. Role of designers. Designers can reduce risk by planning safer structures, especially in high risk areas like tall buildings or bridges. Safety program. A proper safety program involves regular training, drills, and accident tracking. Education is key to prevention. Safety officer. A safety officer monitors work on site, enforces rules, and spots risk early. Their presence can save lives. Equipment. PPE like helmets, gloves, and harness protect workers. It's the basic but most vital defense on site. Conclusion. Safety in the construction industry remains poor in India, leading to frequent accidents that affect not only workers but the entire project. A safe environment is possible through the collaboration of designers, contractors, laborers, supported by strict government regulations. While safety gears are crucial for preventing accidents, they sometimes reduce a worker's comfort and efficiency. Additionally, the cost of implementing safety systems and training programs can be high. However, these investments are minimal compared to the immense cost, both human and financial, of an accident. Safety should not be seen as an expense but as a long term investment in project success and human lives. Until all these elements work in harmony, safety will remain compromised and preventable accidents will continue to occur. Thank you.